Today I want to choose function formula based on the value from a drop-down list, and it's really simple task using choose function. Let's start with a simple example to understand how this function is working. So choose function, and the first argument is index number, so a whole number. To choose argument value, argument will be returning, so I start with 1, hard-coded 1, and then I will select a 2, so red color for value 1, then a 3, green color for value 2, and for value 3 a 4. So because I write here 1, I choose the first number, so the value from value 1 argument. When I change this argument, first argument to 2, I will get green, so it's value from the second value argument, and so the number 3 will be connected to value 3 argument. And the same principle will be using with choosing the formula, but we have to add another function to change our values dynamically. So we are writing our choose function, and as an index number argument we will be using match function that will be looking up the chosen value from the drop-down list on the list of all possible formulas, and we need 0, so exact match here. And then we just writing our function formulas in correct order. So the first on the list is sum function, and just select this range as example. Then there is average function, and once again this range as example. The third function was max, and the fourth one, so value 4 argument, was min function. And of course we can use more complicated formulas, those are only examples. And okay, this is a whole formula, so the max value, this is the mean value, this is average, and this is our sum, just thanks to choose and match functions.